आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
This is the graph of a circle given to us, and the question says that point P is the center of the circle shown above, which has radius 4. So this is point P, and this is the center of the circle whose coordinates are 0, 4, and the radius of the circle is 4. So the question further says which of the following points lies on the circle P, and the options are A 4, 0, B 0, 4, C -4, 4, and D 4, 3. So now our solution will be, we know the journal equation of the circle is equation of a circle with center HK and radius R is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now we know that in this figure the center is 0, 4 with radius 4. So putting these values in the journal equation, we get the equation of the given circle to us. So we get x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 4 square, which becomes x square plus y minus 4 square is equal to 16. So this is the equation of the circle which we are given to us. And now we are required to see that which of the following points lies on the circle P. So now putting all these points, the values of all these points in the equation which we have found, so that if which of the points satisfy this equation will lie on the circle P. So now firstly we will check point A. Point A is 4, 0. Putting the values of x and y in this equation, we will see that 4 square plus 0 minus 4 square is equal to 16 plus 16, which is equal to 32, which is not equal to 16. So therefore this point does not lie on the circle. Hence point option A is not correct. Now checking for option B, which is 0, 4. Putting the values of x and y in this equation, we get 0 square plus 4 minus 4 square, which is 0, which is also not equal to 16. So therefore 0, 4 also doesn't lie on the circle. Now checking for point 3, that is minus 4, 4. Now minus 4 square plus 4 minus 4 square is equal to 16 plus 0, which is equal to 16. So therefore this lies on the circle. Similarly for checking point D, that is 4, 3. 4 square plus 3 minus 4 square is 16 plus 1, which is 17, which is also not equal to 16. So therefore point D also doesn't lie on the circle. Only point C, that is minus 4, 4 lies on the circle, because this satisfies the equation of the circle. So our option C is correct, that is point minus 4, 4 lies on the circle P.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।